Hi everyone, welcome to the Philippines. Anna and I are in the Batad Rice Terraces, and today we're going to be going for a little run zigzagging all through the rice fields. It should be a good time. Come along, let's go for a run. In order to get to Batad, you must first go to Banaue, which is located 10 hours north by bus from Manila. From there, it's another 45 minutes by tricycle on winding mountain roads to get to the Batad Rice Terraces. All right, welcome to Batad Rice Terraces. Let's get started. Okay, we are running along the top of the edge of the terraces. It's not too bad here. Everywhere.
It's beautiful, baby.
I'm still going up the steps. It's not all running. So far, so good. We still have a little ways to go. We're almost there now. All right, we're going up even higher for the view, I guess. All right, everybody, we are at the top, looking down on the Batad Rice Terraces, and it is a long way down, but it is such an amazing view. We had an absolutely great time getting up here. Going down might be a bit of a challenge, but we'll have fun doing that too. Alright, we're getting close to being done, so I guess this is it. Thanks for coming along with us for a run in the Batad Rice Terraces in the Philippines. I'm not sure where I'll be traveling to next, but wherever I go, I'm going to be running, and of course I hope to see you there. Bye everyone.